Welcome back guys. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to reduce your gas consumption and fix absolutely any fault with your three-way fridge. Quarter turn clockwise, then it should just pop out. I'm going to undo those, take them up to make them safe. There we go, so we don't need to worry about the negative. So I'm actually going to take the doors off just to make it easier for me to work. Now I've got the fun task of seeing whether it pulls out to clear this gap and to get it out the door. I don't think it's going to, but fingers crossed. Okay, it's out, but I'm stuck. I might have to put it in back in the hole. Take some of these off the front. So this is going to be tight getting this out of here. I actually don't know how I'm going to do it just yet, but it's got to come out. So that's the fridge surround out. Let's just carefully put that there. Before we go any further though, stay tuned for next week's video because I've just bought an American import classic car with a soft top. Hang on mate. Am I okay to spin round?
Yep.
Yep.
You just want to drop it now.
Lift it up a touch, mate, just so I can drop it on the floor.
Hang on. Yep.
There we go.
Wish I could get a foot in there.
Yeah.
So then.
Okay, ready? Yep. Jesus, just blinded myself.
I don't know where to put my fish.
Mind your head.
Yeah. Yep. What you want to do now? You go down?
Yeah.
Yep.
2 seconds.
Oh, not my arm, not my arms. Keep turning up. Oh,
Yeah. That will go in there now. If we can get that.
yeah.
Okay, you guide it.
Yep.
Let me try and lift.
Let's put a corner in.
There we go. We can swing.
Wait. Yep.
Hang on. There we go.
That fits mint.
The new fridge is installed. Check this out. We have more space than we ever had in the old fridge. These trays we had in the old fridge, you would have seen them in one of the videos. They used to sit right on the lip like that. Now, tons of space. What, 4 inches? This fridge has got little lips, so to stop stuff falling out. Really great feature. Yeah, just, I don't know how much you can say about a fridge, but the freezer's really cool. It's a drawer. Look at that. So the ventilation for this works from the bottom, sucks in air, comes back out, all from the bottom. So you don't need anything at the back, at the top, around the sides, all from the bottom. Power wise, it's been running, or we've had it running now for 3 days solid. We've got it on maximum fridge, maximum freezer, and we are at 98% battery. Say 98, I think it's full. We've got nothing going in, nothing coming out. Let's go quickly to the Victron app. Come on, solar controller. Yeah, we're charging at 1.2. Yeah, 1.3. It's in float. It's full. So the fridge is running for free. Absolutely free. So that's no more gas being spent. We're getting proper cold food, cold drinks, cold ice lollies. As you saw in one of our last videos, the fridge freezer stopped working. That was the real push to do this. We know compressor fridges work. We know they're expensive though, but it's cheaper in the long run. No more gas, no more wasted food. If you like these videos, please consider subscribing, putting a comment below, hitting the thumbs up button. That really helps the YouTube algorithm. If there's anything else you want to know about the fridge or any other modifications on the motorhome, just let me know. Cheers, and I'll see you on the next one.